Sears was once the undisputed Amazon of its day, a retail pioneer that redefined national consumption through logistically superior catalogs and a sprawling physical footprint. But its collapse wasn't just market volatility, it was strategic inertia, a deliberate governance shift prioritizing asset arbitrage over retail innovation. This transformed a household name into a liquidation vehicle, a primary case study in how zombie capitalism monetizes fragments at the expense of survival. In 2008, leadership abandoned the integrated model for the Sears Operating Entity structure, partitioning the company into 30 autonomous, competing fiefdoms. This forced competition for dwindling capital produced organizational pathologies, destroying supply chain efficiencies and encouraging internal sabotage. Under CEO Eddie Lampert, the focus shifted entirely toward financial engineering. The goal wasn't modernizing stores, it was extracting brand value for the portfolio. The one Sears identity collapsed. By siloing divisions, Sears forfeited the e-commerce era, abandoning their platform to competitors with actual brand equity. Capital starvation was the final blow. While rivals invested $15 per square foot, Sears restricted it to less than $1, ensuring physical decay. By 2026, Sears exists as a zombie state under Transformco. Only 5 stores remain, not as retail hubs, but as placeholders for land rezoning. The death of Sears was a calculated choice. Our BizCraft question: can a brand survive when its governance model prefers the hedge fund to the storefront? Subscribe to Learning BizCraft.